Hi, welcome to our Pharma Topics channel. Welcome to the 18th series of study material related to Food Safety Officer exam preparation. Let us see first about Food Smart Consumer. Food Smart Consumer is an engagement portal which serves as a complete guide to food safety for the consumers. It is also a portal to address the issues of the consumer when their right to information, right to grievance, redressal, or right to education about food safety must be may be violated. They can go use this portal. So FSSAI brings the state food safety authorities on board, training and sensitizing them to effectively and timely redress the grievance of the consumers. So information about the consumer rights in accordance with Food Safety and Standards Act 2006 and according to the Consumer Protection Act 1986. So the portal will have like this. It will have an app which could be downloaded. So you can see the package food. If it is violating, you can use this portal. So it will contain the consumer rights. It will have the claim buster and the grievances could be redressed. So Diet for Life, it is training healthcare professionals from all over the country to identify children with inborn errors of metabolism during preliminary checkups so that they may be referred for screening and management in the early stages. So mapping of the screening facilities available all over the country to facilitate screening without loss of time. It carries special diets which are for inborn errors of metabolism. We'll see some of the examples. So one is amino acid modified infant formula with iron. So you can see this label. It is for nutritional support of infants and toddlers with maple syrup urine disease. So it is a inborn error. So it is valine free. These persons they cannot tolerate valine. It is a inborn error. So their nutritional supplements should not contain valine. So it is a modified formula to handle this inborn errors of metabolism. So next is amino acid modified infant formula with iron, and that is tryptophan free. So for nutritional support of infants and toddlers with glutaric aciduria type 1. The next is amino acid modified infant formula with iron, which is methionine free. So for nutrition support of infants and toddlers with vitamin B6, non-responsive homocystinuria or hypermethionemia. So they have more methionine. So they cannot tolerate the excess methionine from the diet. So you can see other formulas, amino acid modified infant formula, which is leucine free. So they persons are having a disorder of leucine catabolism. And some diets are phenylalanine free and they have the inborn error of metabolism of phenylalanine, that is phenylketonuria. Then amino acid modified infant formula with iron, which is non-essential amino acid free. So that is called HHH syndrome. So they cannot handle the non-essential amino acids. And another is tyrosine free for nutrition support of infants and toddlers with tyrosinemia type 1, type 2 and type 3 are available. And no added carbohydrates, soy infant formula base with iron. So they cannot handle the carbohydrates. So these are some of the examples of the diet for life which is related to inborn errors of metabolism. Food fortification. Food fortification is the addition of key vitamins and minerals such as iron, iodine, zinc, vitamin A, D to the staple foods. Staple food is a food which is widely available is called a staple food such as rice, wheat, oil, meat and milk and salt to improve their nutritional content. So access to safe and nutritional food is a must and sometimes due to lack of consumption of balanced diet, lack of variety in the diet, and there is also considerable loss of nutrients during the process of food. So to encounter this, food fortification has been taken as an important step, and this adds the recommended daily allowance. It is according to the standards of FSSAI. So it does not alter the characteristics of food like taste, aroma, or texture of food. So it will have a plus F symbol if it is fortified. Indian history of food fortification dates back to 1950s when Vanaspati fortification with vitamin A was mandated. In 1986, national policy of universal salt iodization was adopted, promoting food fortification as been a part of 10th, 11th and 12th 5-year national plans of the country. In India, salt, wheat, rice, milk and oil are identified as appropriate vehicles for fortification. Let us see about milk, which is fortified, and salt is fortified. Then rice is fortified, wheat is fortified. They are fortified with vitamin A, D, iodine and iron. Fortification of milk. So milk is a rich source of protein, calcium, fat soluble vitamin A and D. Vitamin A and D are lost when milk fat is removed during processing. So fortification of milk with vitamin A and D is required in India because of widespread deficiencies present in the population. Fortification of salt. Every year, millions of pregnant women and the newborn are at the risk of iodine deficiency disorders. So to encounter this, fortification with iodine was mandated. So double fortified salt is an innovative new fortified food that contains iodine in addition to iron. Double fortification means iron plus iodine. In 2009, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare has endorsed the addition of iron in double fortified salt at 0.8 to 1.1 mg per gram of salt. Fortifying wheat. During milling of wheat, nutrients losses takes place. Fortification helps in adding back these nutrients. Iron, folic acid and vitamin B12 are added for fortification of wheat. It's important for fighting anemia and blood formation. Consumption of fortified wheat flour, especially with iron, that is NAFE, DTA and vitamin B12. It is called fortifying wheat. Next is fortification of rice. So rice fortification, it is a staple food which should be fortified, and during processing of the rice, many of the nutrients are lost. To encounter that, food fortification is mandated. So rice is usually fortified with iron and B complex vitamins. Then fortifying oil. Edible oil has almost 99% in Indian households, thus making it a potent vehicle for fortification with fat-soluble vitamin A and D. Food Fortification Resource Center. So it gives a resource and it is a resource and support center to promote large-scale fortification of food across India. It's a resource hub. It provides a technical support, especially to small-scale food manufacturers, to enable them to produce fortified food. Not only this, it also trains and builds capacity for large-scale fortification of foods. It provides communication material, technical, scientific, and financial support to promote a large-scale fortification of food. So it's a very short nutshell information of food smart consumer and the inborn errors of metabolism related diet for life and food fortification. I hope it will be useful for your examination point of view. Thank you for listening. Happy learning. Kindly share this to more of your friends. Kindly subscribe to our Pharma Topics channel for further updates. If you like this video, kindly press the like button. Thank you.